Alright guys, if you guys hear an echo, that's only because my kitchen is getting remodeled and there's absolutely nothing in this kitchen. So I had to go dig around for my cutting board, found one knife. So we're gonna do baby back ribs, and I got a few of them. So this is what I got going. I got 6 baby racks, and we're gonna smoke them today on the Z grills, on the brand new pellet that I just got. So let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. All right. It looks like they removed the membrane on this bad boy. A little bit of fat right there. I'm gonna trim that off. Just a quick trim, guys. Nothing too crazy. This is just for Memorial Day weekend. So for the membrane, just work your knife under the membrane. Kind of pry it up with the knife. There's all kinds of different ways to remove the membrane. Just pull up. That's it, guys. Pretty much it. These are decent ribs, little baby backs. We're gonna kind of knock this one off right here a little bit. We will cook all these extra little trimmings. Yeah, pretty good. So let me go in with the smoke bomb first. I just want to create flavors, layers of flavor. So we're gonna do a nice little dust. Something like that. Because they both have salt, and we don't want to over salt our ribs. We'll come back with the West Coast. Man. Something like that. Pat that in. Come back to this side. Get it with the smoke bomb Uncle Steve. Just a nice little dust. Want some good flavors on these ribs. I will leave a link in the description down below so you guys can order your own rubs from Uncle Steve. Mention 805 and he'll give you a little something extra. Very generous man. Come back with the West Coast seasoning. I think these two will pair up beautiful. The ribs are kicking back, sweating out, and I got two little yard birds here. Got quite a bit of fat right here. Knock that off. A little bit here. I like knocking off this tailbone. A little bit here. All right. Tuck these little wings in towards the back of it. Same over here. And then for the chicken, I'm gonna use Suckle Busters, the honey BBQ rub. And don't worry, I always wash the bottles once I'm done. Oopsie daisy. So, to get the maximum flavor on a yard bird, you gotta put your hand right under the skin. Try not to rip the skin, but if you do, ain't no big deal. We want to get it inside. We want to get it inside, right on top of that chicken breast. We want the seasonings. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit in there. Gonna massage that, and then as well in the cavity. Put quite a bit in there. Pretty simple. We'll do the same to this guy right here. All right, guys. I'm gonna call that done. Let's go outside and preheat the Z grills. Oh, rookie move. Check this out. Come on, George. Gotta get the whole bird. Those legs. All right, that looks better. All right, stick around, guys. It is hot, guys. Alright, I think that'll work. Trying to leave a little bit of space in between the racks. So here's one thing, guys. I'm not used to racks, so these are hot already. But Z-Grills sent some tools with this, so let's put them to use. Like this. All right, that works pretty good. Go ahead and hang our tool. Starting to smell good already. Another one there. One there. Man, I think we're gonna be able to pull this off, guys. This is a nice meaty one right here. It's pretty big. So we'll go a long ways. I'm sure I can fit 2 more up there and 1 more there. I'm pretty sure. Let me go get those Yardbirds and let's see. I think I'm gonna put them right here. Check it out. Because this rib is a little bit smaller. Put the rib right there. Put the Yardbirds right there. Alright, let me go get those Yardbird guides and put the Yardbirds in. Check that out. Incredible, guys. Incredible. This one's a little larger. Ooh, it's knocking off the seasonings. Is this hot? It's warm. Just pull that off. I was hoping I can leave it on, but let me just rub some of that rub back on there. I mean, if the chicken, I can smash the chicken and leave that other grate. I wanted to put some corn on the cob, but it's all good. We're gonna go ahead and close this up and come back in a few hours, guys. Man, that is awesome. Stick around, guys. Bring it back. All right, guys, let's check it out. It's been about 2 hours. I have not opened the lid. By the way, there's no leaks on this beautiful grill. Woo! We got some sweating going. We got some sweating there. Let's just check for temp. Chicken breast, 126. This one's falling behind. That's at 113. 180 on the ribs. 184. 181. Not bad, guys. Water bottle. I'm gonna use a thermometer. Just poke a few holes. 3 or 4. Really doesn't matter. Just get the holes in there. And this is how I spritz the meat. Just to wet it up. That's all it is. Only do this if your proteins look dry. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let this go probably another 2 hours or so. I'll bring you back then. Stick around, guys. Alright, let's check this out. It's been 4 hours. Oh yes, beautiful color. I did move some things around while I was in here a little while ago. Let's check first up temp. Beautiful color. 187, 186. I plan not to wrap. It's gonna be an unwrapped cook. Oh man, this is tender. This one right here. Woo! 208. Beautiful. That one is done. Now, see the emblem, see girls? Yeah, baby. You already know I'm rocking the Uncle Steve's barbecue sauce with no name. Man, I cannot wait to taste these flavors. Mop this around a little bit, brush this on. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice and sticky. Exactly what I was looking for. Woo-wee! Look at that smoke ring. Check that out. Beautiful smoke ring. Woo! Makes my mouth water. Damn, look at that. Does it look beautiful or not, guys? Nice smoke ring. Look at that. Incredible. Let's see what this tastes like. Cheers. Mmm. Freaking delicious. That freaking rib is nice and buttery. Falls apart in your mouth. That West Coast and the smoke bomb and the barbecue sauce we added. Oh my, oh my. Mario, I hope you enjoy these ribs like I just enjoyed your I just enjoyed your rib. Man, this is outstanding, guys. All right, I'm gonna sauce the other ones, sauce the bird, and maybe I'll take a taste test of the bird. I don't know, we'll see. I'm running out of time, so if not, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Super easy cook. This is Memorial Day weekend. This is Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday. And finally, I get one day off to relax. Maybe drink a Modelo. You know how we do it. Just kick back and relax. Watch some good movies. Subscribe, guys. It's free. And it helps me out tremendously. You guys have no idea. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. See you guys on the next one. You guys take care.